I've always wanted to do this one in Engin's videos.
Okay, we'll do it now. Ve karşımda kim var? Johnny, Action Man, yeah, Action Man, hoppa! Are we doing Kung Fu today? What are we doing?
Stretching.
Cool. Okay, let me join too.
Okay. What happened?
I hit it on a pool wall when I was swimming.
Oh no.
Yeah, in the morning.
Don't hit the pool. Just stop swimming before the end.
Yes, so I just didn't do that.
Yeah, next time do that.
Yeah, I should. Parkour! Parkour! Bravo! Okay.
Whoa! Impressive.
You wanna learn?
No.
Over. Yes.
Okay.
Johnny'ye parkur öğretiyorum. So you're learning parkour today, Johnny.
Okay.
Hopla. That's good. So you follow your arm to your shoulder. Ah, you know the parkour roll already. So what could be next? Run, jump, and roll.
Oh no, bro. I'll go this way.
Okay. Ready?
Oh, cool.
Parkour! Bravo! Okay. Okay, let me try. You want more?
Let's try one for now.
Yeah.
It's empty.
Empty? Nearby water usually not so good.
Oh yeah.
That's what they say. So, oh my god, I thought for a snake for a moment.
Delicious.
Şunu yılan zannettim. Altında da pilav.
I hope you caught that.
I caught it.
Let's eat.
Okay. This is what happens when you hang out with Johnny. So much excitement together. Do you want to change bike?
We can just where are we going?
I'm going home, you're going to home, and then we'll meet in Veligama. I used this one before. Enjoy the ride. You have to push this one. Yeah, go. Bye bye, Johnny. See you in a bit. Motor uçuyor. Sen neden köpekleri İngilizce konuşuyorsun ya? Nasıl, ne yapıyorsun burada? I'm in front of Hang Time. Are you at the beach?
No, I'm upstairs. Look up.
Ah, I see. All right, I'll wait.
We need to go down further.
With the bike?
Like the waves are really bad.
Ah. Okay.
So
Do they have a surf school there?
I know a good one.
Okay. That's a good idea then.
By the way, this bike feels like a bicycle.
So Aisha was right?
She's right. It feels like a bicycle.
It feels like a bicycle. But is it like generally how do you feel? Is good or?
No, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Not recommended.
Okay.
This one, you like it, huh?
No, of course, it's fast.
Yeah.
This is also my guy.
Huh?
This is also my guy.
Yeah, okay.
I was gonna take you this one. Alright.
Before I forget, let's exchange back.
Let's exchange it back. You always put this on your face?
Yeah. I've always wanted to do this one in Engin's videos.
Okay, we'll do it now.
Something that I wanna say, there's something that I wanna do. Something's getting in the way. Don't know how to get you going out with me. It's somewhere we can get away. Get me out of misery. Going crazy. Like the way you're moving, like the way you do it. Got me riding so high. I like the way you're moving, like the way you do it. Got me riding so high. I wanna know if I say hello, where this could go. I got my eye on you. I got my eye on you.
It's not possible? You will go there again.
Too much current.
It pushes you there, right?
Yeah, so I'm gonna throw over here. Smells good.
Good? Good.
I need a durdum kebab.
You need a durum kebab.
Maybe two.
2 durum kebab, definitely. Kitchen.
Trying to get as many in as I can. Normally I'm like going and relaxing, taking my
Yeah.
time, and I'm like, okay, I have like an hour or 2 hours. But today I'm like, okay,
I'm gonna catch.
I gotta catch this, and you can shoot it, I'm gonna fly the drone, come back with a switch, get a zoom camera. Oh. Dying.
You know what we call it? This is life with Engin.
Guys, if you hang out with Engin, you'll feel 10 years younger, but it'll probably take 10 years from your life.
Yes, so much energy. You need so much energy.
Energy. Watch.
Okay. Wow.
Ha!
Oh, one more
Getting
time.
better? Go ahead, one more time.
You can do it. Good.
It's good that people walking by so they know that we didn't just slow it down. But Engin, please slow my clip down so it looks like I held it longer. Oh my god.
How many? 7?
Too many. Let's rewind it, guys.
I am like
Do it again. That's awesome.
Johnny is real Sri Lankan.
Yeah.
With
This is
with-
both a beach towel
uh-huh.
and also
A sarong. Like a peshtamal, I was telling you.
Pashtamala.
Peshtamal.
Pashtaman.
Yes. So funny. We didn't plan to hang out today, but indeed we hang out. And the surprise is we have a even matching t-shirt. Oh my god, that's like...
And matching sarong.
Yeah.